Hello, amazing learners. Welcome to the world of knowledge. Today we are going to learn all about our body parts in English and Spanish.
Head,
Cabeza,
hair,
pelo,
eye,
ojo,
ear,
oreja,
nose,
nariz,
mouth,
boca,
teeth,
dientes,
tongue,
lengua,
face,
cara,
neck,
cuello,
shoulder,
hombro,
arm,
brazo,
elbow,
codo,
hand,
mano,
finger,
dedo,
thumb,
pulgar,
chest,
pecho,
back,
espalda,
stomach,
estómago,
waist,
cintura,
leg,
pierna,
knee,
rodilla,
foot,
pie,
toe.
dedo del pie.
Awesome work, friends. Now you know how to say body parts in English and Spanish. Don't forget to subscribe to the world of knowledge for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.